When stress strikes, sometimes it builds slowly, like a simmering overwhelm that won't lift. Sometimes it crashes in all at once, like an accident, a devastating phone call, a loss, a natural disaster. Our nervous system reacts in real time. Without support, stress can linger, turning into anxiety, shutdown, insomnia, or illness. The brain's technique is a tool designed for that moment to stop the panic and to feel calm again. I'm Whitney Nattiello, and for the past 25 years, I have been at the intersection of neuroscience, Chinese medicine, and holistic health. I was so frustrated when I could not help clients when trauma occurred in the moment, which all happened outside of a treatment session. For me, a personal trauma changed everything. In that moment, I instinctively used a new integrative process that has shifted me in minutes. That is what has become the B.R.A.I.N.S technique. The B.R.A.I.N.S technique is more than just a tapping or breathing method. It is a multi-layered technique to rewire trauma in the brain. It engages the conscious and subconscious psyche. It breaks the fight, flight, freeze loop. It brings your brain back online and calms your nervous system and body. Most trauma therapies start after the symptoms show up. The B.R.A.I.N.S technique starts before symptoms show up. So who does the B.R.A.I.N.S technique help? It is used by anyone, including survivors, caregivers, teachers, parents, first responders, therapists, coaches, healthcare practitioners, and more. It helps you feel like yourself again. You can use it quietly, quickly, anywhere, no special tools. It is designed for real-time regulation, not just after the fact or when it's convenient. And what are the next steps to learn it, use it, and share it? You can enroll in the Foundations course. You can book a private one-on-one consultation. You can bring it to your group, team, or organization, or you can become certified as a practitioner, coach, therapist, parent, teacher, caregiver, or community resource advocate. The B.R.A.I.N.S technique is a new path to healing. Visit BRAINStechnique.com to get started and take the first step towards clarity, calm, and resilience. This is where neuroscience meets soul and healing becomes a life skill.